You can see the charts of Som Distilleries on your screen, and yes, we are going to be talking to the management of Som Distilleries. J.K. Arora, chairman of Som Distilleries and Breweries, is joining in with us to talk about the expansion plans, revenues and growth strategy guidance going forward as well, and obviously a lot more on the company as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Arora, for joining in with us this afternoon. And firstly, sir, I want to talk about the new highs that the company has been scaling every month when you look at it, especially in terms of the market share gains. The company has captured a market share of 18.4%, and this is in the Odisha region that I'm talking about. So in terms of, obviously, you have enjoyed the market share gains in Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka too in the month of June. What are your expansion plans in the other state now?
Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity. Odisha, the growth is exceptional. Last year at that same time we were at the 12%, and this year we have reached to 18%. In a beer business, even 1% market share, it means a lot. So if from 12 to reaching 18% is a commendable achievement. We are doing pretty well, and as we have announced few days back that Delhi we have become #1 brand in the strong beer segment, and Karnataka success story is in front of you, where the market share is reached to almost at the level of 22% from just meager 5% in 3 years back. So company brand is doing very well, and as far as expansion is concerned, we just completed in Odisha, which we are discussing today. Odisha we have just concluded, and with our growth and the tie-up with the Carlsberg, the utilization and the sales are going to be really big in this financial year, and going to be will touch new heights in the coming time for sure. Madhya Pradesh we are already #1. We have 42% market share in the till last month, which in this month in June it is further going up. It is till now, till this time we are touching 44%, which is again a very it's like almost every second bottle sold in the state is of Som, which is a quite satisfactory business for us.
Also, I just want to know, because last time when we spoke to you, you had given us a guidance in terms of revenues for FY24 at around 1,000 crores. Are you confident of achieving that guidance? Do you think you want to actually revise the guidance upwards now?
Yeah, 1,000 crore. So that I have already said that 1,000 crore is going to be sure. And we are hoping, we are keeping our finger crossed for further better. And this thing, it's going to be definitely better than 1,000 crore now. Earlier, our projections was about 800, around 800, which has surpassed to more than 1,000 crores, and it is going to be I think now even better than 1,000 crore.
Better than 1,000 crores. That's a good optimism to hear coming in from you there. I also want to understand, because promoters surely have been increasing their stake of late as well. Is it expected to continue from the promoters? Any thing on that front, and any target that maybe the promoters are looking to hold in terms of shareholdings? If you could give us any understanding on that.
Yeah, you see, it is not that something new we are talking. From the very beginning, we have the full faith in the company's performance. So right from the quite old time, we wanted to make it big. But since the SEBI restriction was there, that you without their permission you could not do it. Recently, last year we got the permission. So now we are, after that order we received, we are continuously acquiring what within the rules of the SEBI, within that 5% creeping acquisition we can do. Last year we did this thing. This year also we are continuously increasing our stake, because we have full confidence, and our endeavor is to reach to a 51% level. whenever this thing, but the continuous effort and we are making it to increase our holding.
Also, Mr. Arora, I want to understand in terms of, a bit you touched upon the expansion plans for the company. Could you just give us more details of one, how much will the capex be in terms of expansion plans, and where will this capex be used in the next 2-3 years? What should we envisaging from the company over here?
You see, we have 3 major manufacturing plants for the beer. One is Madhya Pradesh, where, as I said, almost every second bottle is ours, and this thing. So we are already at 43% market share, and our endeavor is to reach till the next financial year to reach at a 50% market share at least, Madhya Pradesh. For that, we had put up a new canning line from Germany, which is already installed, and result has started coming in. So this expansion has been just completed. Karnataka, we have increased our capacity. We have doubled the capacity from 45 lakhs to 90 lakh cases, which fortunately have fully availed. Now, it's a complete utilization of 90 lakh cases is now this thing. Now for the coming time, we are looking at for further expansion from 90 lakhs to, we want to take it to the around 150 lakh cases for the Karnataka. That we started process for that, and hopefully by next year we should be having some more expansion in this thing. Odisha, we have just concluded the expansion plan, and fortunately Carlsberg has also joined. So fortunately they have also joined. So now Odisha is also is going to also be a major contributor in the growth of the company.
Right. So as you were mentioning that you are looking to increase your promoter holding to around 51%. Any timelines by when do you plan to increase your holding to 51%?
You see, the available route to us is only 5% creeping acquisition. That is as of now, unless we do it some acquisition, or that will happen only with the permission of the SEBI only. What route is available to us is the 5% every year. For that, we have availed and we are doing it. And as we are filing on everyday basis, our filings to the stock exchanges and all, that we are acquiring our equity from the open market is a almost continuous process, and we are doing it practically every alternate day.
Well, thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us and giving us all those details and putting things into perspective. With that,